Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. If today is your first time of visiting us, this is a Fairly family. You are welcome. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime we post a new video. And thank you for our returning subscribers for always coming back to watch our videos. So today I'm gonna be unboxing this microwave that I bought on Best Buy online store. I'm also gonna be doing a little bit of review on it, so stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you. This is so huge. I'm just gonna sit right here. Okay, this is the manual, so we're gonna read this.
Okay, 30 seconds, you just press this. How much minutes?
2 minutes.